So I shared this rainbow heart design. You guys really liked it. It's similar to a tutorial I had on the site, and as you can tell, I wasn't in my studio. I was not planning on creating a full tutorial for this, but you asked, so I'm going to do it. Sorry about the lighting, etc. So we are going to start by drawing a heart on our rock. Now, if you're not good at drawing hearts freehand, cut out a template and trace it. As you can see, I messed up, but I'll work that into the design. So we're going to start with a nice wavy line, and then we're going to come along that line, and I usually pinch somewhere in the middle and then bounce back out. Now you're going to kind of keep expanding on this wavy line in different directions, but specifically for this design, we're going to be extra careful to make sections with 6 bands together. So you'll see here, I'll start kind of counting out to see I want 6 going this way so I can get every color of the rainbow in this section. You also want to make sure that you're leaving space for another 6 in your empty. So above the one that I did first, I can fit another area in there. Now I'm just going to start creating different wave and design sections to fill in the extra space. So I want to make sure that my shapes get down into the edges, even down into that point. We'll get some color down there as well. So I've got 2 areas left to create some waves in. This one I'm going to work that line into it. They can get pretty thin. I'm going to come back with extra fine tip paint pens when I'm filling this so I can get really close to those black lines and make it work. When I get to this final section, you'll see I'm going to actually expand those last 2 lines, and we'll just fill the color all the way up into that space. Now when you start filling in your design, you're going to want to plan it out a little bit. I didn't want the red side of a rainbow and red side of a rainbow to end up touching anywhere, so I am going to kind of plan out all the red stripes of the rainbows first and then go from there to fill in the rest of the rainbow colors. So just a little bit of planning at the beginning of your design is going to save you a whole lot of headache, and it will make everything look really neat when it's all said and done. Now, so like I said, I'm doing red all the way through to the purple, and these paint pens are on a really dark rock, so some of the colors just needed a second coat. So let the first coat dry, take a break, let your eyes rest a little bit, come back, do a second coat over the entire thing. Now this is really where everything starts to pop. Go in nice and slow and reline all of your wavy black lines. It makes all the difference in the world. I'm also going along the outer edge, and I'm laying my paint pen, it's an extra fine tip paint pen, but I'm laying it slightly to its side so I can get this nice thick outline all the way around the heart design, which really finishes it off nice. I had to take it outside to show you just how beautiful this rock really is in natural light and not my dim little lamp. Here's a bunch more heart rock painting tutorials you're gonna love.